If I could live my life all over, I'd commit every crime again. Same looks, same glances, same, we're totally just friends. There's no way, Lord, to leave this love behind. Yeah, I'm quoting Al Green. I'm lazy. If you don't wanna hear what's next, cover your ears, Jack Hughes, and lie to God. Cause the way I think about you is aggressively unholy. I memorize your breathing like it's doing something for me. I say your name in my head just to feel it hit. Jack Hughes. Fuck, that worked too well. You have me flustered, perturbed, looking at you like custard. Yeah, I fucking love custard. Some might say I'm disturbed, but you're so soft, sweet, ruin my life, white cream, I swear. I'm being chill, I swear I'm cured, but I keep seeing you in my dream. I just wanna love you ethically. Wait, define ethically. Oh God, I'm Jack Hughes it off once again to the thought of you. Don't stop looking so cute. I'm Jack Hughes it off to a future I should not pursue. But who's gonna stop me? I build a whole romantic drama out of one. Hey you. Yeah, I'm Jack Hughes and off. I call this self-control, like that makes it true. It really doesn't. You're polite, you're kind, you're a genuine delight. It makes it way harder to sleep through the night. I try to keep it wholesome, keep it strictly homey tier, but you're so damn nice that it's making my sanity disappear. I just wanna love you professionally. Jaccuse, J's for the judgment that I'm blatantly ignoring. AA's for the agony of knowing you're alluring. C is for the constant craving and then behaving. U is for the urge to make a stupid mistake. S is for the stake, a love I couldn't contain. E is for the end, where I'm yours to take for God's sake. Wait, is there an HR department for friends? I'd ask for your consent to think these thoughts, but that would make it weird, and I'd rather not. It's platonic. For real, for real. It's brotherly. You know the deal. It's totally fine. Now excuse me while I go commit a thought crime. Call the cops. I'm guilty. Oh God, I'm Jack Hughes off once again to the thought of you. Oh God, I'm so close. I'm Jack Hughes off to a fantasy I shouldn't accrue. But I'm not gonna stop. I'll rehearse conversations where you want me to. Yeah, I'm Jack Hughes off. I can't get enough of you. Pretending this is innocent, but I know it really isn't. Jack Hughes, I'm Jack Hughes, I'm Jack Hughes, I'm Jack Hughes. Jack Hughes? Why are you walking away?